What cross-examination strategies do defense attorneys use for key witnesses? Imagine sitting in a courtroom where every word spoken could sway the entire case. Defense attorneys are like skilled chess players, carefully planning each move during cross-examination. They don't just ask questions, they craft strategies to challenge witnesses and protect their clients. First, they spend time before court reviewing everything the witness has said before. They look at previous statements, depositions, and any evidence that might show inconsistencies. Their goal is to find gaps or contradictions that can weaken the witness's credibility. This preparation helps avoid questions that could give the witness a chance to explain away damaging details. During cross-examination, defense attorneys mainly use leading questions. These are questions that suggest the answer and usually only need a yes or no. For example, instead of asking, "What did you see that night?" they might ask, "You saw the defendant at the scene at 9 o'clock, correct?" This keeps control of the conversation and prevents the witness from giving lengthy explanations that could harm the case. Another key tactic is impeaching the witness by showing they previously made statements that don't match their current testimony. The lawyer might ask, "Didn't you tell the police earlier that you saw nothing that night?" If the witness denies or can't remember, the attorney can introduce the earlier statement to question their honesty. This makes the witness seem less trustworthy. Defense attorneys also look for contradictions within the witness's own testimony or between their story and physical evidence. They might use visual aids like timelines or charts to highlight these discrepancies. Pointing out these inconsistencies helps create doubt in the minds of the judge or jury. Controlling the flow of questions is another important strategy. Lawyers ask one fact at a time and avoid open-ended questions that allow the witness to elaborate. This keeps the testimony focused and prevents the witness from unintentionally revealing information that could hurt the defense. They also avoid responding to questions from the witness, maintaining strict control over the process. Focusing only on relevant facts and steering clear of personal questions helps keep the cross-examination professional. It prevents the appearance of harassment or unprofessional behavior, which could turn the jury against the defense. Finally, a calm and steady demeanor during cross-examination makes the defense seem credible. An aggressive tone can backfire, making the attorney seem hostile. Staying composed helps build trust with the judge and jury, reinforcing the idea that the defense is fair and reasonable. Choosing a defense attorney who understands these strategies can make a big difference. An attorney skilled in cross-examination can expose weaknesses in the prosecution's case, build doubt, and ultimately help secure a better outcome for the client. Avoiding common mistakes like poor preparation or losing control during cross-examination can be the difference between a conviction and an acquittal.